Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are doing well and enjoying your summer vacation. Today we will solve the remedy pack of mathematics level 9. Page number 2. Question number 2 is find the value of a, b, c, d when matrices satisfy the equation a plus c, a plus 2b, c minus 1, 4d minus 6 is equal to 0, minus 7, 3 and 2d. Students, here we are given two matrices. It is given that the two matrices are equal. And we know that if two matrices are equal, then their corresponding entries are also equal. So we will write here comparing the corresponding entries of two matrices. We will have a plus c equals to 0. A plus c equals to 0, that is equation 1. A plus 2b is equal to minus 7, equation 2. C minus 1 equals to 3, equation 3. Next 4d minus 6 equals to 2d, equation number 4. We cannot solve equation number 1 as both of these variables are unknown. Next, equation 2 is also unsolvable till now because there are including two variables whose value is unknown. Equation number 3, c minus 1 equals to 0, contain only one variable. So by equation 3, c minus 1 equals to 3. So c is equal to 1 is subtracting here. While moving there, it will become 3 plus 1. So c is equal to 4. Now considering equation 4, by equation 4, that is 4d minus 6 equals to 2d. Both have same variable. We will move 2d here. It will become 4d minus 2d minus 6 equals to 0. 4 minus 2, that is 2d minus 6 equals to 0. 2d equals to 6. d is equal to 6 by 2. d is equal to 3. Now we can put the value of c in equation 1. Now by 1 we have a plus c equals to 0, a plus 4 equals to 0, a is equal to minus 4. Same by 2, that is a plus 2b equals to minus 7. We have value of a minus 4 plus 2b is equal to minus 7. That is 2b is equal to minus 7 plus 4. 2b is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to minus 3 by 2. So students, they all are the values that we have to find in the question. Hope you understand it. Next, move on to question number 2, which is given as if b is equal to 1 1 2 0, then verify that b transpose into transpose is equal to 0. Here we have to prove that if we take second transpose of the same matrices, then original matrix will form. Here we are given with b is equal to 1 1 2 0. Consider left hand side, that is b transpose into transpose. First we find b transpose, that is here the b is given as 1 1 2 0. We will take its transpose, that is b transpose is equal to 1 2 1 0. Now again taking transpose of b transpose, we will have b transpose into transpose is equal to 1 2 1 0. Again transpose, that is equal to 1 1 2 0, which is again equals to b. So b transpose whole transpose equals to b, hence proved. If we take second transpose of the same matrix, then the original transpose form. Question number 3 is if a is equal to 1 minus 2 3 4 and b is equal to 0 7 minus 3 and 8, find 2a transpose minus 3b transpose. Here we are given with two matrices a and b. We have to find 2a transpose minus 3b transpose. For that, first we consider A transpose. The matrix A is given as 1, minus 2, 3 and 4. Its transpose will be given as A transpose is equal to, here we will interchange the rows and columns. 1 minus 2 will become 1 minus 2, and the next is 3 and 4, that is written in a row. We will write in the column like this, 3 and 4, that is A transpose. Now we will find B transpose, which is equal to, B is 0, 7, minus 3 and 8. We will take its transpose, then it will become 0, minus 3, 7 and 8, that is B transpose. Next we have to find it 2A transpose. 2A transpose means 2 will be multiplied with A transpose, that is 1, 3, minus 2 and 4. It will become, as 2 is a scalar quantity, so it will multiply with each of the entry of matrix A transpose. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4 and 2 fours are 8, that is 2A transpose. Next we have to find 3B transpose. So 3 will be multiplied with B transpose, 0, minus 3, 7 and 8, which is equal to 3 zeros are 0, 3 threes are 9, 3 sevens are 21 and 3 eights are 24. The last step is we have to find 2A transpose minus 3B transpose. Just putting values, 2A transpose is equal to 2, 6, minus 4 and 8, minus 3B transpose equals to 0, minus 9, 21 and 24. We will subtract the corresponding entries. 2 minus 0, 6 minus into minus 9, minus 4, minus 21 and 8 minus 24. That is equal to 2 minus 0, 2, 6 minus minus plus, 9 plus 6, 15, minus 4 minus 21, that is minus 25, and 8 minus 24, that is minus 16. So it is the answer of required question 2A transpose minus 3B transpose. Next question is simplify 5 raised to power 2 raised to power 3, 5 raised to power 2 raised to power 3 divided by 5 raised to power 2 whole raised to power 3. Students, here notice that here 5 raised to power 2, then 3 is again the power of 2, means 2 raised to power 3 equals to 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2, means 2 is occurring 3 times. So 2 raised to power 3 will become 8. So what it become? 5 raised to power 8 divided by, but here is 2 into 3, which is equal to, means 2 is multiplied by 3, that is 6. So what it become? 5 raised to power 6. So 5 raised to power 8 into 5 raised to power 6 can be written as 5 raised to power 8 over 5 raised to power 6. Students, according to law of exponent, a raised to power n over a raised to power m, when the bases are same, then it can be written as a raised to power n minus m. So it will be written as 5 raised to power 8 minus 6, which is equal to 5 raised to power 2, and 5 raised to power 2 is equal to 25, which is a required answer. So students, these are our today's lecture. Hope you understand it. Try to solve it by yourself also. Meet you soon in the next video, inshallah, with next topic, next question. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.